So today's video is going to be telling you exactly and showing you what to do to get better throttle response out of your OBS4. Now this is when you give it a little bit of gas and your gas don't start to come in till you put some pedal into it. Well, this will get it as soon as you mash the pedal, your throttle will start working on the 7.3s. What we got here is a throttle position sensor that has nothing to do with it. If this is bad or acting up, I actually just replaced this one. You will have dead spots as you're cruising down the highway or somewhere in your pedal, dead spots. Now if you first mash your pedal and nothing happens for a few seconds, you know, as you're mashing down on it, then it's this thing. If you quit getting any throttle response, this thing's went out. What it does, as you mash down on that pedal, it makes a clicking noise. And on some aftermarket pedal units, or they just get old with time, you have to mash the pedal down further for that to click. And when you do it, you know, your throttle position sensor don't stop working till it's quick. So basically, if you go down this far and your throttle position sensor ain't working, you done wasted maybe an eighth of your pedal or so of travel. So what you want to do is take this loose here. Some pedals has a rivet, some has, you know, a bolt, if you can get it loose. But you take this loose right here and you can adjust this tab over or forward. You can see mine's been adjusted back some, and it's got my tab leaning just a little. But now if you can't get that loose, that's no biggie. You can actually bend this tab here with a set of vice grips up just a little till you get it where you just want it. And listen. As soon as mine starts being moved, that's when mine clicks. That's a perfect adjustment for this. So I know this video is very short, and but it has a lot of detail in it and can be very helpful. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to let me know in the comment section and drop a like. It helps others find this video on YouTube, and they might be helped out as well. And show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I upload daily content, so check back daily for something new. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.